In this video, we're going to work out how to find prime numbers between the numbers 1 to 50. But what is a prime number? Every prime number has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. So each prime is divisible by itself and 1. As I said, we're going to look at prime numbers between 1 and 50. But how are we to get rid of all the non-prime numbers? We're going to be using what we already know about multiples. So here's my grid of 1 to 50. As I said, we're going to get rid of all the non-prime numbers to find the prime numbers between. We know 1 is not a prime number, so we're just going to get rid of that. Let's move to the next number of 2. 2 is a prime number because it only has two factors, 1 and itself. So we're going to circle that. That's our first prime number. Now we need to get rid of all the multiples of 2. Now we know our rules. Multiples of 2 are even numbers. So we're going to get rid of all the even numbers on our grid. All our even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So let's try another one. So our next number we come across is a 3. 3 again is a prime number because it only has two factors, 1 and itself. The rule for multiples of 3 is that we add the digits together, and if the number is small enough in the 3 times table, it's also a multiple of 3. So we're just going to get rid of all our numbers in the 3 times table. So our next number would be 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. Okay, so we've got rid of all the multiples of 3. Let's go to the next number of 5. 5 is also another prime number because it only has two factors. The rule for multiples of 5 is the number needs to end in a 0 or a 5. Now most of them has already gone, but we'll go through the list now and blank them out. So we've got 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and the 50. Same principle again, guys. We'll go to our next number, which is also a prime of 7. Same applies. We're going to go through the numbers left that's in our 7 times table and get rid of them. So the next would be 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. You see they've all covered. In our grid, we have numbers left that are all prime numbers. Remembering primes again means that it can only be divisible by itself and 1. These are the numbers that are prime numbers up to 50. I'd like you to have a go at the grid of 1 to 100, using multiples as your strategy to wipe out the numbers that's non-prime. Good luck, guys.